Happy Earth Day from all of us at the Johns Hopkins University. I'm Glenn Patterson, an adjunct instructor in environmental sciences and policy. We'll start with the quiz first. What pandemic sickens about 4 billion people each year, resulting in about 3.4 million deaths per year, making this pandemic the leading cause of death worldwide? Here's a hint. The great majority of those deaths are among children under 5. The answer is waterborne disease caused by lack of access to safe drinking water. A major factor is that fresh water is becoming increasingly scarce in many parts of the world. About a quarter of the world's people live in areas affected by water scarcity. For some, water is just not available in sufficient quantity to meet the needs of both people and ecosystems. But for most, water is physically available, but economic, political, or institutional failures prevent them from getting the clean water they need. Many factors contribute to water scarcity, but 4 stand out. 1, global warming. As the planet warms, more water evaporates, leaving less for streams and wells. The warming climate also brings more frequent and intense droughts. 2, population growth. A larger population means greater demand for fresh water. 3, we're using up tomorrow's water supplies. When water is scarce, we typically pump more water from wells. This uses up supplies that would otherwise be stored sustainably underground for future use. And 4, perhaps the biggest, human conflicts and poor governance lead to inadequate, leaking, or destroyed infrastructure and to water that is too polluted to be used. Sounds grim, but there are some positive signs in the quest to deal with water scarcity. We already have most of the solutions, we just need to implement them. We can tap additional sources of supply, including harvesting rain and fog, and we can keep improving the technology to desalinate seawater. We can do more to conserve clean water, recycle dirty water, and avoid polluting water in the first place. We can manage surface water and groundwater together in conjunctive use to create more dependable supplies of both. And we can keep water efficiency in mind in decisions we make about what we buy, grow, and do. In other words, reduce our water footprint. If you'd like to learn more about water scarcity, there are some great websites you can find in an internet search, or you could register for the Johns Hopkins graduate course, Global Scarcity in Freshwater Systems, Crisis and Solutions. Thank you.